All right, everybody, I've got to talk about this. I installed a mini split system in my house, and I have a 200-year-old house, so I really needed air conditioning. I did a lot, but you need to check this out. It is -12 outside. It's going to be -14. Look at this. It's so cold it can't even register on my thermal imaging camera here. This is insane. Look at this. It won't even register. That is the outside unit to the mini split system. Let's see if I can even get the ground. It's just way too cold. So whenever it reaches like 50 degrees below freezing, I guess you just can't register it, but this thing is kicking tail. And look at that. I'm getting 105 degrees out of this thing. So technology is improving. If you haven't thought about these, a great way to save my kids. It's a great way to save a lot of energy and a lot on your fuel bills, but I can't believe it's actually working as well as it is. So advertising's real. It's a hyperheat Samsung. If you have any questions, ask.